Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really digging into something critical for schools. That communication link between, well, the classroom and the home.
Yeah, it's a perennial challenge, isn't it? And we're focusing specifically on how built-in parent communication tools inside modern school management software can make a real difference.
Exactly. It's about more than just managing student records now.
It really is. The best systems, the ones we see making an impact, they integrate things like parent portals, messaging, notifications. It becomes a whole collaborative platform.
A platform for partnership, essentially.
Precisely. It's managing relationships, not just data entries.
And that relationship piece is key, because when communication breaks down or it's just, inconsistent.
Parents feel disconnected, frustrated even.
And the school misses out on that crucial home support for the student. That's a huge loss.
It is. So the software needs to actively pull families in, make them partners. We've sort of boiled it down to four main reasons why these integrated features are so important for administrators to prioritize.
Okay, let's walk through them. The first one is transparency, right?
Yes. Transparency. And we're talking real-time stuff here, not just waiting for a report card.
So things like attendance flags, updates on grades, maybe assignment feedback.
Exactly. Parents see what's happening almost as it happens, keeps them properly in the loop day to day.
Which naturally leads to the second point, I imagine, engagement.
It does. When accessing information is easy and secure, all in one spot, families tend to shift from just watching to, well, actively participating.
So they might engage more with school events or step in quicker if they see their child needs help.
That's what we see. The barrier to engagement is lowered significantly.
Okay, but I can hear some teachers thinking, does constant access mean constant questions? Let's talk efficiency.
That's the interesting part. With true integration, efficiency actually goes up.
How so?
Because you eliminate the need to juggle multiple systems. No separate email threads for this, a texting app for that, another portal for grades.
So it streamlines things for teachers and admin staff.
Massively. One central place for communication related to attendance, grades, events. It cuts down on that administrative tangle. It's a relief, honestly.
Got it. Okay, and the last one. You mentioned trust.
Yes, trust. It's foundational. When communication is reliable, consistent, and secure, it just builds stronger relationships.
More reliable partnerships between the school and families.
Which ultimately benefits the student most of all.
All right, so if we agree communication tools aren't just optional extras, what should administrators actually look for? What are the must-have features?
Well, it's about how deeply integrated these tools are. We need more than just, say, a basic email blast function.
Okay, so like parent portals, what makes a good one?
Secure access is paramount. Single sign-on, ideally. Parents need a confidential place to see grades, attendance details, maybe even financial information like billing.
And not just viewing, right? What about interaction?
That's where messaging tools come in. Crucially, they need to support reliable two-way conversations, teacher to parent, parent to teacher, not just announcements pushed out.
Right, actual dialogue. And alerts.
Absolutely. Notifications and alerts for important things. Think absences, maybe urgent assignment reminders, school closures. These need to be timely and customizable.
And accessible on the go, I assume? Mobile has to be part of this?
Oh, definitely. Mobile-friendly access is non-negotiable today. If parents need a desktop, usage will drop off fast. Information has to be available anywhere.
And the key tying it all together.
Deep integration with the academic records. The communication needs to be directly linked to the student's actual data grades, attendance logs, etc. Context is everything.
And does this actually translate to happier schools? Do we see this working in practice?
We absolutely do. We hear it from administrators all the time. They rate these integrated communication features very highly. Someone like Melissa W., a principal, she called it a one-stop operational hub. That idea of having the grade book, communication, even invoicing, all living together.
Yeah, that makes sense. One place for everything.
And Dana W., a director, echoed that. She talked about using one unified system for registration, attendance, the grade book, comms, the calendar. It simplifies everything.
Fewer silos, less chasing information.
Exactly. And the result. Schools using these kinds of integrated systems report fewer misunderstandings, less admin stress, and definitely more engaged families. Families feel supported.
So the main takeaway here isn't just about better software, is it? It's about strengthening that vital school-family partnership.
That's the core of it. Reducing the administrative load, yes, but more importantly, boosting transparency and building trust.
And there's a direct link to student success too, isn't there? Beyond just convenience.
There is. Studies back this up. Consistent, proactive communication with families correlates with better attendance, higher academic engagement, just better overall student outcomes.
So here's something to think about. When you optimize your school's communication with truly integrated tools, you're not just making life easier for your staff.
You're actually creating an environment where students are more likely to succeed. You're directly impacting student performance by strengthening that homeschool connection.
It really reframes the value proposition, doesn't it?
It does. We definitely encourage schools to explore how moving towards this integrated model can really transform those partnerships.
Thank you for tuning in to The Deep Dive.